Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Minds. I am Emosoft. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy staking hubs using your club balance on your Mavie Ultron crypto networking project. Guys, if this is your first time on our YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you find value in what we share, the content we share here, make sure to share and also give us a thumbs up and drop your comments telling us about giving us feedback or maybe the type of videos that you want us to make, and I will definitely work on that. So before I start, I want to show you guys something. Now, as you can see, few hours ago we started seeing this not secured stuff on the side. Now, yeah, what it simply means is that there's a kind of configuration that is going on in the background, because as you know, in just less than 48 hours time, the Ultron coin and blockchain is going to be launched, and there's a way they want to link up the sites with the blockchain. So definitely there's a way they're going to move the server so that most of the things we will do here will be reflecting on the app or on the wallet that is going to be created. All right, so it is just the technical part of it, so you don't need to worry yourself. The site is still accessible and everything, and the program is still on. People are still joining, people are still buying staking hub, waiting for the project and the coin to launch. So that being said, let's head over to the video of today. So as you can see, this is my account right here. As you can see, I love doing live videos from my account so that to motivate you guys as well to do your best to also climb up the ladder, because it is not easy, but we just have to do it because there's money online, and how you just have to keep pushing and make sure that we don't remain where we are. We keep moving on. So the team is actually growing. For like 16-17 days ago that I joined, a lot of people have been joining my team, our team at Online Money Minds, and we have been growing. So if you are a networker, if you love building team, this is actually a very good opportunity for you. All you need to do is to check the link below this video, and you will see a registration link where you can register and also start building your team as well. So as you can see, this is my dashboard right here, and this is my club balance. This is my club balance right here, which is 112. And this is how much I've made so far since I joined, which is $450. And this is the current balance that I have, that if I want to withdraw, this $240 will be sent to my Binance or any other wallet I want to send it to, after the $5 fee has been deducted. Okay, so if I withdraw this right now, I'm going to be getting like $235. Okay, but 25% of any amount you earn from the system in the networking part, that's from referral bonus or team bonus or any other thing, the 25% of that go to club balance. Now, what club balance does is that you can buy more staking hub from your club balance. Okay, so and that is what I'm going to be showing you today, how to do it. So if you want to buy more staking hub with your club balance, one thing you have to understand is that it must be at least $100 or 100 USDT there, because the minimum package of staking hub you can buy is 100 USDT. So if you have 60-70, there's no way you'll be able to buy. You have to make it up to 100. And how can you do that? By building a team, by building your team. Okay, so if you want to buy, all you need to do is to go to your staking hubs. Then once the page loads, you will see, as you can see right here, these are the lists of the staking hubs that are available. So I'm going to be going for the 100 USDT because what I have there is 112. So I want to buy more 100 USDT worth of staking hubs. So I'll click on buy now. Now, once you click on buy now, it's the same thing on your mobile phone and also on your PC, that's your laptops, your computers. So all you need to do is that once it pops up this option, instead of you to go to buy with Theta USDT, you will now go with buy with club balance. So if you click on buy with club balance, it will say staking hub successfully purchased and activated. So this one is actually instant because you already have that balance in the system. So once you buy a staking hub, unlike the traditional means whereby you have to send USDT from maybe Binance or Trust Wallet, then do not take up to 24 hours. So this one, once you click on it this way, it buys it and it gets confirmed automatically. So let's close it and see if we've bought another staking hub. So first of all, if you take a look at this space right here, you will see that the 112 has reduced to 100, has reduced to 12, meaning that 100 USDT has now been used to buy this new staking hub. So let's see. So if you go to my hub, as you can see right here, this is 30th May 2022. So right here, you see that 100 USDT, you've used it to buy another staking hub. So as you can see, I now have 2 staking hub worth $200. So that is just how you can buy more staking hub using your club balance. Guys, if you love our video, if you love our updates, if you love me, if you love the community, if you love the updates that we share in our community, please make sure to subscribe, share, and like, and also always drop a comment telling us about, giving us ideas or suggesting types of videos you want to see. As you know, we make a lot of videos on the channel where you can make money online leveraging on crypto, and we have a lot of things that are actually coming on board this year. So guys, make sure to subscribe and do have a lovely day ahead. Bye.